Want to earn $100 per month in passive income from QYLD? In this video, I will break down exactly how much money you need to invest, step by step, in a very simple way. First, let's understand what QYLD is. QYLD is a high-yield exchange-traded fund that pays monthly dividends. Its main purpose is not strong long-term growth, but rather to generate consistent income for investors. This is why many people use it for cash flow or passive income goals. Now let's get into the main question. How much do you need to invest to make $100 per month? To figure this out, we first convert the goal into yearly income. $100 per month times 12 months equals $1,200 per year. So your goal is to earn $1,200 per year from QYLD dividends. Next, we look at how much QYLD pays per share. QYLD currently pays around $2.10 per share per year in dividends. Now we divide. $1,200 divided by $2.10 per share equals about 571 shares needed. So you would need roughly 571 shares of QYLD to reach your income goal. Now let's convert that into dollars invested. If QYLD is trading around $18.30 per share, then we multiply 571 shares by $18.30. That comes out to about $10,450 invested. So the simple answer is this. You need around $10,000 to $10,500 invested in QYLD to generate about $100 per month in dividend income. Now there are a few important things to keep in mind. QYLD offers a very high dividend yield, but the share price does not usually grow much over time. That means most of your return comes from income, not price appreciation. Also, dividends are not guaranteed. They can increase or decrease depending on market conditions. This is why it is important to understand your goals before investing. QYLD is best used for income, not long-term growth. If your goal is passive monthly cash flow, QYLD can be one option, but always make sure to diversify and do your own research. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of dividend investing and passive income strategies.